Okay, back again, or back, and let me see if I can't anchor this a little bit better. There we go. There we go. Hopefully you can watch me as I crochet it. First things first, you're going to make a slip knot. Okay, make your slip knot. Actually, make sure you got enough yarn, enough tail of your yarn. Sorry for the shadows of my hands. And this is a size G hook, 4.0 millimeter. You can see that. Okay. And we're going to chain 3. Oops. Come on now. We're going to chain 3. Why is my hook sliding so far up to it? There's 1. Chain 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let me grab some more yarn out here. Any yarn you want to use for this project, it's okay, because you don't need that much. The best though is a cotton yarn, because if you're going swimming or anything like that, it'll just get wet and get soaked up. Or and you can just lay it out flat to dry or whatever. It doesn't really matter on doing a bracelet like that. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go on the second chain from the hook. So this one right here is not your first chain, okay? It's this one right here, okay? Then that's your second, and that's your third, okay? So we're going to take that, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to go into the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, go into that stitch, and we're going to do a single crochet. I almost see there, I almost did a double crochet. So I had to think, and nope, that's not right. A single crochet in that one. Okay, we're going to go into the second stitch, or the second one, and single crochet. And then we're going to chain 1 and turn. Same thing. You're going to get a chain, single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in the second stitch, just like that. Chain 1, single crochet, 1, single crochet, the second, and that's 2. Okay, now what I was going to ask you, if you had a one of these measuring tapes. One of these measuring tapes for your bracelet, ages 10 to 11 is between a 6 and a 6.5. Okay, so you're going to do the bracelet the length of that, or the length of how your measurement is on your wrist. So we're going to just continue on. It's just a repeat of that first and second row. So you're going to single crochet, single crochet, chain 1, and turn. And go ahead and work as long or as much as you need. And when you get longer, just measure it as you crochet. A lot of people, I've heard reviews on this bracelet that a lot of people say that they had to put another stitch in the last stitch, and I've done, this is my second one now, so I have not, see there, I tried doing double crochet, but I have not seen where I had to put another stitch in, so I don't know. And you're gonna chain 1, if anything, have your mom check me out on YouTube. If you want to watch me on my YouTube videos, that's fine. It's Deb's Crochet Cafe on YouTube. But have your mom connect you on there. Or not connect you, but have her subscribe to my channel, and then any video I make on that, I can, she can get on, if she has a YouTube channel, and watch my, videos. So, and I can't remember what your mom said that you were working on. So I'm going to have to look that up again and see. But I guess I'll find out tomorrow anyway, so. Believe it or not, we could actually, I'll teach you how to do a headband like this too tomorrow. So. That. Turn. And continue this all the way until you get to the 6 or 6.5 inches. And I'll reach you at the end. Okay, once I reach the end of the 6 inches, you're going to measure from the 0 on your measuring tape at the 0 and go down. And you're going to reach it all the way till it goes to the 6, which I am a little short. So I'm going to have to add one more row. Darn it, I started yarning over again. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay, let's measure it again. Start at the 0, work your way down. And if you stretch it a little bit, it's going to be at the 6. So you've got, there's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 rows. Now, what you're going to do, actually go ahead and take that last row out. Okay. What you're going to do with that last row, though, is you're going to, what they call decrease of single crochet decrease. So we're going to go into that first stitch, wrap yarn over, pull through, but do not yarn over again. Go through the second one, second stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now yarn over and pull through all 3 and single one stitch. You see how I did that? Okay. And then what I do is I crochet, since that was my first chain, I'm going to do another chain and bring it out to make a tail. You're going to take a pair of scissors and clip it. And pull that loop through like that. Pull it. Take your fingernail and slide it down. There. And then what you're going to do is you're going to bring these 2 together. Actually, we're going to go this way with it. And that, yeah. Or wait a minute. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So you're going to flip it over. You're going to sew this end in and sew this end in, and it's going to come out like this. Like that. And when I sewed both of them together, I just weaved them in and clipped off what I had, and I had a knot right there, so I just used that. So, but if I would have weaved that in, because my yarn got too short, and I wasn't able to weave the rest of it into the bracelet. So, but yeah, that's how you make a bracelet. So, like I said, if you have any questions or anything, write them down or whatever. If you get it, great, awesome. If not, there's always tomorrow when I teach you and that, because we're going to make a headband like that too. So, and I'm going to teach you a different way that I just had in my head of what I could have done better on that bracelet. So, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day, Sophie. Talk to you soon. Bye.